YouTube, what's up, what's up? Your boy Rodney with Mike checking in. Just want to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a happy holidays for those of you that don't celebrate Christmas. Want to show y'all something, man. Check this. No more videos on the phone. So my wife was able to get me a GoPro Hero 9. So yeah, we just doing an initial video. Just gonna check it out. Like I said, I want to wish all 1,500 of y'all a Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna show you what we did with the cars real quick. Show you the lights I got going on with it. Keep the video short. Again, we just testing out the GoPro. So yeah, let me let y'all check that out. So yeah, I was playing around with one of the phone apps. Let y'all see the little joint we got going on with the charger. Again, we just testing it out to see how the GoPro is capturing everything. So, see if we got that toggling. And also, let's see if the truck is picked up with the rock lights. So I got two Op 7 kits on here. So it's 8 pods total for each kit. So the right side is on one kit, the left side is on one. They use the same remote, so if you do it right, you can make them have different colors, which is kind of dope. So y'all see how green it is on this side, and we got the red on this side with the green and red going here. So yeah, man, just wanted to let y'all see that. Let's see. Yep, there we go. All right, so another thing, like I say, we are right at 1,500 subs. There's the doors, so they do the same thing as the devil eye. But yeah, so we're right at 1,500 subs. It's been a great 2020, man. I know COVID has been going on basically since March for us, but the channel has been doing great. Things that y'all like to see, the Tesla style radio that's in the Ram, for me, I have zero issues with that. That's been by far my biggest video. The most revenue has been made off of that little install series. I literally don't have one complaint with that head unit at all. Then with the charger, man, it's just been a down year for the charger. It's just been hard to do stuff. I'm kind of out of ideas. Trying to figure out what to do for 2021. I'm gonna take a poll and see what y'all want to see. I was thinking about getting rid of it. Thinking about supercharging it. Who knows? Truck though, that's my baby right here. I mean, she ain't going nowhere. So, but anyway, again, Merry Christmas to you all. We want to just check out this GoPro footage, see how it does. Like I said, I know they don't really do too good at night, but we'll see. Anyway, y'all make sure to keep subbing. We're gonna figure out what we can do next to, you know, give y'all some good content. Peace out. Thank you.